These are the materials I used for this project. For more details, please check out the description box down below. First, we are going to make a magic ring. Now chain 1, then yarn over and make 12 half double crochet into the magic ring. I'm going to put a stitch marker into the first stitch to mark a point. Now pull the yarn tail to close the circle. Remove the stitch marker and slip stitch to join. In round 2, we are going to chain 2. After that, make 2 half double crochet in each of the next 12 stitches around. In the last round, remove the stitch marker and slip stitch to join. After done, cut and secure the yarn end. In round 3, attach the yarn in here. Then chain 2. Make 1 double crochet in the first stitch. Then 2 double crochet in the second stitch. One double crochet in the third stitch. And make 2 double crochet in the fourth stitch. Now we are going to repeat the same process around. After done, remove the stitch marker and slip stitch to join. In round 4, chain 2. After that, make front post double crochet. Yarn over and make 1 double crochet in the second stitch. Next, make 2 double crochet in the third stitch. Yarn over and make front post double crochet again. Yarn over and make 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Yarn over and make 2 double crochet in the next stitch. Now we are going to repeat the same process around. In the last round, remove the stitch marker and slip stitch to join. In round 5, insert the hook into the front post and slip stitch. Now make 1 single crochet. Then make 1 half double crochet into the same stitch. Yarn over, and after that make 2 double crochet into the next stitch. Now make 1 half double crochet into the next stitch. Then make one single crochet in the same stitch. Next, slip stitch in the front post. Make one single crochet in the next stitch. Then make one half double crochet in the same stitch. Yarn over and make 2 double crochet in the next stitch. Yarn over and make one half double crochet in the next stitch. Then make one single crochet in the same stitch. After that, slip stitch in the front post. Next, repeat the same process around. In the last round, slip stitch into the front post. After done, cut and secure the yarn end. Now we are finally done, and thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day ahead, and I will see you guys again in my next video. Bye!